All eyes on the arena. It's go time.
Hello! Get ready, people. This dazzling arena has been reimagined by CNS to test our contestants to their limits.
The Jet Setters breakthrough, unlocking Vault 1. That's wrong. I'm so excited right now, I didn't even hear what you said.
It's contagious, Scotty. Let's see where this energy takes us.
I'll take him! Somebody's hungry!
The Ultra Rares have started the first cash out. The Jet Setters nabbed a cash out.
Now that's how you play to win the game show. Eliminations are piling up for a contestant out there. Let's see how far they can take it. We've hit our first team wide. It's a showstopper.
That didn't go down this way at all. But no cigar. A contestant swooped in to prevent that cash-out steal.
Don't feel that.
It's in. The Jet Setters make a bold statement with the first cash-out of the match.
They're off to a blazing start, wonderfully executed.
Come on, kill! Someone's getting loaded! Taking damage!
We've cranked up the damage in the arena. Side effects include flaming buildings and total chaos.
Craving cash, the Jet Setters are opening Vault 2.
Turret deployed.
Our contestants seem to have taken out some frustrations on the arena, as Mega Damage is living up to its name, and it's not done yet. We've got the jet setters returning to the arena.
They look determined. Watch out, the ultra rares.
Cash out A, full speed.
Roger!
Top the red. Violently.
Go to cash out A!
Taking off the jet setter.
Mega Damage is over, and we are back to a somewhat controlled amount of chaos again.
I like what I see from the ultra rare so far. That was a good steal.
That gamble paid off big time, Scotty.
That's a mid-match heist worth remembering.
Grenade out!
Wow, that's quite the cash out from the ultra rares.
A flawless steal led to a big payout.
Book bag there, but they cashed in.
The ultra rares will have to polish their strategy from the sidelines.
ball free.
Team wipe.
An unwanted and an unwanted turn of events, Scotty.
Ha! June, you're bringing the A game today.
Yep.
A long-awaited return to the arena for the ultra rares.
RPG en route! Let's go to
As we
cash out
pass
A.
the halfway point of the match, you could cut the turn with a knife, or an assassin's dagger, or a cheese slicer.
The excitement keeps building, Scotty. I can hardly wait for what's in store.
Moment of high tension here as the ultra rares are stowing away a cash ball. Cash out started.
elimination streak.
A log victory. On behalf of all of us here at the finals, thanks for watching.